So hello guys, today in this video I am going to tell you that how you can give a live lead on OGR count. So let's start. So in our previous lecture, we first lecture I teach you that how which tools we require and which networks we need, and then now in second lecture we create an offer content logger on OGRs, and also we create an account on DigitalSox proxy, and the third we create account on Incognition profiles we create. Now today third private lectures. So now the lecture is start, and our in class 3 I give 3 leads on 3 offers. These offer links are different links of different networks. One is another network, one is another, and one is another. This is content locked of OGRs that we copied in our previous lecture, and you can buy DigitalSox package from me in for 30 days 30 days, and daily 30 IPs you will be give from me. Now let's start. The first tool we need is CC Cleaner. Simply go to CC Cleaner, go to custom clean, and close all your Chrome tabs, Google tabs, and go to run CC Cleaner. It will take 1 or 2 minutes because it's very slow steps. And the second is simply go to press run commands in your PC. Run commands. The commands will help you to clean your PC and Chrome history and its necessary steps. So by use your keyboard and press Windows and R button. There are 4 commands: percentage temp, decent, and prefetch. All press first. I will press prefetch, and so CC Cleaner clean our PC, and we also run 4 commands. The command name is press window, press R. First is recent, second temp, third percentage temp, and 4 is prefetch. All 4 commands are necessary. Go to any commands. This is the second process after CC Cleaner. You can apply this when you run CC Cleaner, and CC Cleaner will take 1 or 2 minutes. You did not waste your time, and simply go to press window, press R, and clean or and delete all files by pressing 4 commands. Okay. And we run now CC Cleaner and command, and the next step is change your Wi-Fi MAC address. Okay, so simply go to, this is an application that I already tell you, technician MAC address. Okay, and here you will be see your Wi-Fi antennas, wireless catchers, that Wi-Fi USB device that you connect in your PC that catch Wi-Fi signals. Okay, this is the device that connected to my PC 300 MB speeds. So click on simply this, and this will be add, and this is the MAC address original and active also original. Then go to random MAC address and change. When you click on change now, your PC will be disconnected to the internet. Okay, I will change. So student technician MAC address change my PC. Let's see that now active MAC address is this, and you can also see from here this is, and I go to properties, connections, simply I again go to status and wireless properties, no, details, and this is physical address is also called MAC address. Okay, so it will take 1 or 2 minutes for changing. So students, I tell you one more tips, that you start your PC in, like, for example, you start your PC in 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. Then the first steps, and you want to start give leads some on OGS account, some on CPA, another networks private accounts. Then the first tips is go to CC cleaner and clean all. Then after cleaning, do not open any Google store, any Chrome store. You need to create first all profiles and add their here user agents proxies already create these profiles. Then close all tabs and then study this process. If you are non-Muslim, then if you want to work on dating, then I suggest you CPA account. CPA account. Okay. Now student, I am going to give a live lead because our PC and Chrome history all are clean and our PC MAC address is also changed. And the next now process is give a live lead. Okay. For this, these are profiles. I start 3 profiles and I submit different offers on different profile. Okay, I have 3 links and I have 3 profiles. So students, one profile show error and only 2 profiles is open because third profile proxy did not work. It shows some error, and the first is this profile and second is this. This is public and this is IP address. This is iPhone profile, MAC address change, and the second is this. Okay, so student, always see that when you open who.not, your this guys will be 90% or 100%. Okay, not 80%, not more. And proxy always here option will be no blacklist, no anonymizer, no. Okay, this setting same these, no. If you hear any one have here yes, then change your proxy. Okay, now we create this, and also this is good, open here, and now we are going to run our offer link. So in first I will run this offer link, copy simply this and run here, paste and go. So and the student, we run our offer link, this was, and now this is this offer link. The first offer link did not work, some error show. So I run the second offer link and this is open, and this is it telling details. So I give this email. So the first name is Wanda Jennings. You need to get this email type valid online live emails you need to have. Then you will be get valid leads and you will be get payments from networks.